The Google Performance Dashboard shows your Google Ads performance at the account, campaign, and time level. Use it to check spend efficiency, catch underperforming search campaigns, and decide where to scale or cut budget. Go to Dashboards and select Google Performance. Set your reporting period with the date range selector, then enable Show Comparison to overlay the same metrics from a previous period. That way you're reading a trend, not just a single snapshot. Before any budget decision on a specific campaign, use the campaign filter to isolate it, instead of reading performance blended across the whole account. At the top you'll see KPI cards for spend, purchases, cost per purchase, return on ad spend, cost per 1,000 impressions, and link clicks. You can customize these. Select up to 6, remove any, and reorder them, keeping only the metrics you actually act on. One thing to know about the return on ad spend shown here. This is Google's own self-reported number, not LayerFive attribution. For the true cross-channel picture, compare it against LayerFive return on ad spend on the Executive Summary dashboard. The Key KPIs trend chart plots your selected metrics over time with daily granularity, so you can spot when a metric started moving, not just that it moved. Below that, Performance by time switches the table between year, month, week, and day views. Use daily granularity when you're diagnosing a sudden change, and weekly or monthly when you're reporting a trend. The campaign performance table breaks everything down campaign by campaign, sortable across cost, clicks, cost per acquisition, purchases, revenue, and return on ad spend. This is your primary view for search campaign efficiency. Here's the Google-specific move worth remembering. If return on ad spend is inconsistent across campaigns with similar spend, check cost per click and click-through rate before you touch bids. A low click-through rate usually points to ad relevance, not budget. Fixing the ad often does more than raising the bid. And when you're deciding whether to scale a campaign, sort by return on ad spend and cost per acquisition together, not either one alone. That's the Google Performance Dashboard. Come here to judge Google spend on its own, then cross-check attribution on the Executive Summary.